Morning.
All right, welcome back, YouTubers. Mr. Bell's Wildcat Math class. We're going to continue the liberal arts semester 1 exam review. And don't forget, if you think this is helping you study for your review, make sure you click the like button on the bottom, subscribe, and open up the notifications so that when I post a new video, make sure you get a notification. Thank you. Okay, so we're on number 46, here we go. Alright, so this says on graph paper, graph each of the equations listed below. Remember the exam is multiple choice, so you're not going to have to graph anything. You stand there, you go across. Okay, 10 for it. Okay.
There we go.
Alright, so here's the important part you need to know. Look at this. This is what's called a parent function. All the rest of them have that in it. You see that? They have exactly that. And what they did was they added one or subtracted one somewhere to the parent function. What you need to understand for the exam is what happens when you do that. Okay? Look at B and C. What they're doing is they're adding or subtracting one at the very end of the equation. Okay? So what that's going to do is it's going to move it up or down. It's going to move in the direction you would think it would move it. So what do you think is going to happen if you add one at the very end of the equation? It's going to move it up or down. Which way do you think? Up. Yep. So it's going to move it up one. The entire graph is just going to be moved up one. So what do you think is going to happen when you subtract one at the very end of the equation? Down one. Good. All right. So now look at the difference between D and E as compared to B and C. They're adding and subtracting one, but not at the end. They're doing it with the x. Right? So this is not going to move up or down. It's going to move in the x direction. But it's going to move the opposite direction you would think. Because you remember, who's the most likely person to lie to you?
Yourself?
Your ex.
Huh?
Right? Okay. So if I add one with the x, you think it's moving to the left or the right?
To the left.
It's going to move to the left. You would think to the right, positive 1, but it's with the x. So it's going to move it left 1. And if you subtract 1 with the x,
It's going to the right.
it's going to move it to the right 1. Good. Everybody okay with that? Yeah? Okay. Number 47. A Mobile Express Gaming charges $15 registration fee plus $2.50 per game downloaded. Let G be the number of games downloaded, or a function that models the money spent on downloaded games to your phone using function notation. Okay, so let's say
250G.
let's call it cost, right? So cost of G, cost of the games. This is a one-time fee, right? $15.
So like 15.
15 plus. And then this is per game. Per means multiply. So 250 times the number of games. Okay. Number 48. The cost to manufacture X pair of shoes can be represented by the function C of X is equal to 63X. Explain what is meant by C of 6 equals $378.
So, $378 is how much it costs for 6 shoes?
Perfect. The cost to manufacture 6 shoes six pairs of shoes is $378. I'm guessing that's dollars. That's an expensive pair of shoes just to make it. Have to sell them for $100 just making money. 49. Alright, so we're multiplying two binomials together. So I'm just going to take the first term. I'm going to multiply by everything in the second binomial. So that'll be x times x is x squared. X times 5 is plus 5x. And I'm going to move on to the second one, the negative 12. And do the same thing, multiply that by everything in the second binomial. Minus 12x minus 60. So now I combine some like terms. So I've got x squared minus 7x minus 60. Okay, number 50. X plus 10 times x plus 6. Same thing, x times x squared, x times 6, plus 6x, 10 times x plus 10x, and 10 times 6 plus 60. Combine these guys, you get x squared plus 16x plus 60.